Alex Legoman, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a Pokemon TCG card unboxing. So I went out to my local Target and got a bunch of boosters. So you got two boosters, one Fates Collide and the new Steam Siege. Then we have the Mythical Collection with the Arceus promo card, Pokemon Generations, and then we have the Pikachu EX pack with 4 Pokemon Generation packs. I don't know if you noticed, but Pokemon Generations have the greatest pulls to get a good card. So let's get these guys started. Alright, so we're going to get started by just opening the little packs first. It's real easy to open. You just tear off the sides right here. Then just pull this back, I think, yeah. It's really easy to open, as I said. Alright, so we got Mega Alakazam right here on the front of the pack. So let's get started. Oh, fresh packs. Feels so good. Alright, here's the code if anybody's watching this and plays the TCG online game. So the trick is to have the best card from when you open. Well, the trick to get the if you want the best card for last, you have to pull 3 from the back, 1, 2, 3, and put them in the front. Now let's get started. So we have a Deogen. Wait, oh yeah, I did this right. Deogen, Trainer, Brixen, Vullaby, that's Larvitar, Coughing, Snivy, a Diglett, a Reverse Deerling, and a regular rare Carbink. Special ability, focus. Why isn't it focusing? It's weird. Alright, so that's our first pack. We're going to put that off to the side. Just a regular rare Carbink. Alright, let's do Steam Siege pack. We have Volcanion on the front. I didn't get anything good from that pack, sadly. Hopefully I get something good from this pack. Every single time I get a regular pack, it has like an EX in it. Like one time I got a Mega Glalie EX from just a regular old pack. I'm hoping to get the new Sun and Moon Pokemon that's in this. It's an EX. Alright, so Shiny Gardevoir on the front. I think that's Mega Gardevoir, if I'm not mistaken. Come on. Once you open. Okay, there we go. Huh? And I do play Pokemon Go. Alright, so you got a Drifblim, a Pokepuff, a Tangrowth, evolution of Tangela, yeah, Nosepass, Chimchar, cool. We got a Meowth, a Hoppip, a Litwick, a Reverse, Kling Klang, so that's a cool card. And, a Volcanion! Nice! That's the legendary in Steam Siege. That's actually really cool. With the move Steam Artillery. The Volcanion is the guy on the front. See the resemblance? Oh wow, that's actually pretty cool. Alright. We did not get any EXs, but we did get Volcanion, which is pretty cool. Wait, did that thing have a code? Oh, that pack didn't have a code. That's weird. I'll come back with the Arceus pack. Alright, so in the Arceus set, we have a little more stuff. So we have a pamphlet. It's saying like all the packs: Venusaur, Pikachu, Blastoise, and Charizard, red and blue packs. I have opened the Venusaur. I got opened the Pikachu, and here are all the legendaries that are coming out every month. So we have a. Oh, everything just falls out. Alright, so we have a cool Arceus pin. A cool Arceus pin. Here, let's put that on right now. Alright, so we have that on. It's pretty cool. So in the 2 packs right here, we have a Blastoise and Charizard pack that came with it. And then we have the promo card that's in here. Arceus himself is said to be... It is said that Arceus created all Pokemon and people in the Pokemon world. Here's a code. If you want to take that. So yeah, this promo card's really shiny and stuff. Look at that. He has Power Blast and Type Switch as his moves. Right, so if I'm not speaking clearly, it's because I have a blister. Like right here, it's really annoying. It hurts. So let's start off with the Charizard pack. Hopefully we should get the goods here because Pokemon Generations pack. Generations? They have the good stuff. It's usually just all the original 151 Pokemon in these packs. 1, 2, 3 from the back. Right. So we have a Flabébé or something. We have an Energy Switch, Double Energy, Caterpie, Doduo. Ooh, a Water Energy. I don't actually have one of those. Cool. Ghastly. Ooh, a reverse Double Energy. Ooh, a hollow Swirlix. And come on. Regular rare Pinsir. But that does look like some cool artwork. We got this hollow, which means it just has a shiny background. Right. Let's put that off to the side. Come on, Charizard. He's my favorite. Charmander is actually like my favorite starter of every single generation. Come on. Open up Blastoise. There we go. And leave down in the comments when I do get Pokemon cards, if you want to see unboxings of them, like I'm doing right now. So we have a Fletchling, Metapod, Revitalizer, I think, Ponyta, Magikarp, Fairy Energy, Doduo. Ooh, a Pikachu. Reverse Pikachu. Hollow Slurpuff, already have one of those. Our last card. A Jinx! Oh, this is not good, guys. We haven't got an EX yet out of the 4 packs. We do have this cool promo card. Alright. I'll come back as I open the cool Pikachu red and blue box. Alright, so we're back, and with it, we came with a cool Pikachu sculpture. I must say, it's better than the Venusaur sculpture. We have our, come on Pikachu. We have our sick promo card. This promo card is really sick. So we have Electabuzz right here and Jolteon. I have them both in Pokemon Go. And then we have Pikachu looking mean as heck. His moves are Overspark and Iron Tail. Alright, so that's a pretty cool promo card. And right there, next to Arceus. And we have our 4 packs. Yeah, here's the code. If you want it. We have another paper. And then we have 4 packs. I think we should save Pikachu for last. Let's save Pikachu for last. Let's open up Charizard first. I know he won't fail me this time. Charizard, I said don't fail me. There we go. these packs are actually pretty hard to open. The generations. Nice. Steel type energy. So 3 from the back. Alright, so we have a, Raichu. Not too bad. Haunter. Max Revive. Well, Max Revive. Metal Energy. Magmar. Paris. Caterpie. Reverse Magikarp. And a... No way! Oh my goodness! We got a Sylveon EX! Oh my goodness! Dude, I can't believe it. We've got a Sylveon EX. Yeah. Oh wow, that's a good card. Sylveon EX, nice. Look at that. Look, we go, and then just a regular Tauros at the end. But Sylveon EX. Look at how cool the artwork is. It's a full art. Wow. That's a cool card. Let's go with Blastoise. My second favorite starter of the Kanto region is Blastoise. Come on, Blastoise. None of the starters like me today. Right. Snorunt, Trader, Persian, Pikachu, Zubat, Metal Energy, Magmar, Reverse Clefable, another Mega Gardevoir EX! What the heck? Oh, what's the next card? Just a regular rare Snorlax. But another Mega Gardevoir EX? Last time I opened the Venusaur EX, the Venusaur Red and Blue pack, I got a Mega Gardevoir EX. Are you serious? Right now? Oh my goodness. Wow, that's cool. That is cool. Alright. Is that as big as reaction as Sylveon? Because I don't have that card yet. There's a lot of cards that I don't have. But let's open Venusaur next. For the back. Alright. Oh, Charmander, nice. Metapod. Clement. Krabby. Caterpie. Oh, a Meowth looking tired. Rhyhorn. Cloyster. Reverse Altaria, not too bad. And a... What the... Oh, that's a Hollow Altaria. Oops. Hollow Altaria, see? And then another Jinx. The Cloyster was the reverse. Not so good. He's not been getting the best pulls today. My man Pikachu right here. He's gonna come in with the goods. Come on, Pikachu! I thought you were gonna come in with the goods! Through from the back. Charmeleon. Clefable. Like healing. Evo Soda. Fairy type energy. Zubat. Magmar. Fighting type energy. Oh, reverse Leaf energy. Yeah, I watch a YouTuber called Unlisted Leaf. He would want this card. Then we have Hollow Jirachi. And then another Jinx! Seriously? I think we've gotten 4 or 3 Jinxes. Could have swore we had 3 Jinxes. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like down below. Okay, bye!